Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your social study teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your social study class. My dear students, as you know that we are on unit number 3, State and Government. Today I am going to deliver the complete unit review, that is lecture number 10 of this unit. So my dear students, these are all the student learning outcomes that alhamdulillah we have covered in this unit. So my dear students, one by one हम इन तमाम को जो है revise करेंगे. So in lecture number 1 we discussed about the federal government. The federal government works as central power that combines all the provincial government. These provincial governments are known as the federating units. So lecture number 1 में हमने federal government के बारे में पढ़ा and why it is important. Then in lecture number 2 we discussed about the formation of governments is based on federal, provincial and local level. So government जो है वो किस तरीके से बनती है और उसके कौन-कौन से levels होते हैं, we discussed that. Then in lecture number 3 we discussed about the constitution and its importance. The constitution is important for every country as it protects people's rights and makes them responsible too. In lecture number 4 and 5, we discussed about the Constitution of Pakistan that grants every citizen with basic rights and responsibilities. Lecture number 4 में हमने rights पढ़े थे according to the Constitution, and in lecture number 5 we discussed about the responsibilities according to the Constitution of Pakistan. Then in lecture number 6 we discussed about the rule of law that ensures rule of law ensures work as equality as the equality of people before the law. So हमने rule of law को पढ़ा था और इसकी importance को पढ़ा था कि इसकी absence में it is impossible to run a country. Then in lecture number 7 we discussed the importance of the political parties. So political parties are a bridge between the public and the government. In lecture number 8 we discussed that the federal, provincial and local government also follow the rule of interdependence by supporting and providing each to each other. So हमने importance of interdependence पढ़ी थी कि government में interdependence की क्या अहमियत है और किस तरीके से तमाम levels के ऊपर ये follow की जाती है. Then lecture number 9 was a project on interdependence, and now is the time to do your assessment. For assessment, you can download this worksheet for the description box below this video, or you can get it in print form by your teacher. Write down your name and date, and then what is federal government? Federal government क्या होती है? Write it down here in this space. Write down the structure of local government. Local government का क्या structure होता है? किस तरीके से कौन-कौन से लोग जो है इसमें शामिल होते हैं? Write it down. Who is the current chief minister of your province? आपके province में, your own province. Chief Minister कौन है? Write down his name. If you are given a chance to design a manifesto for a political party, what points would you like to make the part of that manifesto? So अगर आपको किसी political party का manifesto design करना पड़े तो कौन-कौन से points जो है वो आप उसमें add on करेंगे? You are a citizen और आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके इर्द गिर्द कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स है, तो आपके मैनिफेस्टो में या उस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के मैनिफेस्टो में वो चीजें ऐड ऑन होनी चाहिए. सो डिजाइन दैट मैनिफेस्टो अकॉर्डिंग कीपिंग दिस इन माइंड. सो पॉज द वीडियो एंड कंप्लीट द वर्कशीट. I hope everybody has done it. Now submit it to your teacher for marks and grading. Now my dear students, I hope you have learned a lot of things from this unit. Keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.